So, one thing with this bike that I've never had before is the new air forks. Haven't put stickers on yet. And I was looking for ages trying to find tutorials, etc. And then when I was looking for the packet, it kind of tells you a few bits here. So what this video is a little demonstration. I've already done it, but I'll just show you. So basically, you get this here, 75 to 80 kg, 85 kg, that's about my weight anyway. We're on a 300, so that's your sort of average, which I'm happy to do. So, do it in PSI 139. Get this little tool, your little pump. Come over here, take the cap off. Probably be easier if you take the bar pad off, but I can't be bothered. There we go. And I'm filming with my phone, so bear with me. You then put the pump on. Oh, this is fucking annoying. There we go. No, I don't know if it's on or not. Right, there we go. So, we're in PSI. You click through this, it goes to bar. Then, whatever that is. Back to PSI. So, you keep screwing the pump on. And I'll just keep the camera on it. I have already pumped it up, so it should be right. I think I got to about 138 PSI. See if it's moved since I haven't even rode it yet. It's 135. Probably that is what I got it to. So put it up to 138. It's basically pull that on out. Push it in. Oh, this is hard. So see, that's gone to 136. Like that. 137. So that's fine. Making sure your front wheel is off the ground. You don't want any load on it. So jack it up. Then that's all done. So it's got down to 135 again. So I don't really know what that's all about, but be fine. Unscrew it, and it did say it will let a bit of air out like that, but it's not actually letting air out the forks. Unscrew it, cap back on, sorted.